Good morning, students. Hope you are fine. Okay. Today I start the revision class chapter 3, editing in GIMP. This chapter is also in your syllabus. Okay. Earlier you have learnt, but I revise it again. GIMP is used to drawing object. As MS Paint, you have learned to draw. Here GIMP, we use the advanced facilities of drawing. Drawing objects. GIMP is the photo editing software. However, you can create a drawing in the GIMP using different drawing tools. Okay? Just like Microsoft Paint and Tux Paint, GIMP also has tools like pencil, paintbrush and selection tool that help you create drawing. To create drawing, open GIMP, create new file. On the image window, click the Tools menu. The Tools menu appears as shown in figure 3.1. Point to the Paint tools. A list of paint option appears as shown in figure 3.2. Select the pencil or paintbrush tool. Change the foreground, means the color, foreground color as you like. For example, change the foreground color to the pink to draw flower. Place the mouse pointer on the white blank area. Press and hold the left mouse button and start drawing. Okay? Students, you are present in the class. After completing your drawing, release the mouse button. Creating basic shapes. You can create shapes in GIMP using selection tools. However, creating shapes in GIMP is more complex than a Microsoft Paint or Tux Paint. Basic shapes means circle, triangle, square, rectangle. Okay, these shapes are called basic shapes. We can take help from the shapes. Like see here, the rectangle select, ellipse. With the help of this we can draw circle. Pre-select, that means you can draw like using pencil. These are the selection tools. Okay. Place the mouse pointer on the white blank area, that is the drawing area, and press and hold the left mouse button and drag to desired form. Release the mouse button. See here, we have drawn a rectangle. Simple fact: to draw a straight line, select the pencil tool, press and hold the shift key while holding the left mouse button. Drag the mouse till a straight line of desired length is created. Now fill color. You can fill, click the toolbox, select the foreground and background color shown in the 3.6. That means here the toolbox. You can see, you can select from here. Okay. And on the image window, click the tools menu. From the drop down list, point the pen tools and select the bucket fill, and the mouse pointer change in this shape, that means in the bucket shape. Okay. On the image window, click the selected area. The foreground color is applied to the selected area as shown in figure 3.7, this type. Now changing size of the image. That means you have made this size, but you want to make it bigger or smaller. What to do? GIMP opens an image to its original size. However, it is sometimes difficult to use an image in its original size. In this case, you can scale the image to increase or decrease the size. You can change the width and height of the image. To change the size of an image, open the image window, click the image menu. The image menu appears here, that is image menu. Click the scale menu, scale image. See here, where is scale image? This one, scale image. The scale dialog box appears, and there you can find the width and height box, and that is pixel, and then scale. Then turn the page number 30. Okay. Page number 30. See, this is a scale box, that is width and height box, and pixel according to the pixel, percentage, inches, millimeter, what is the measurement unit you want to take, and then scale. Okay. And here, to change the size of the image, right click the image and scale image, and then to apply the previous setting, the scale reset. Okay. Now cropping means making smaller or desired size. Okay. That is also, you want to use only the part of the image, you can take it, that is called trimming or cropping the image. The process: crop the image window, you have two tools and transform tools, and you can see the crop and that cursor change in this size, in this shape, and press and hold how much you need, that is cropping. See here the flower, you have cropped it and you have taken. You can use the selection tools to select the area of the image you want to keep and click the crop option, or directly to crop the image, right click on the image and then tools, transform, and then crop. Okay. Now you turn the page, horizontal or vertical to create its mirror image. Open the image. On the image window, click the tools menu, point the transform tools. A list of the transform tools appears. Click on the flip option. The mouse cursor turns into this shape, and click the image. The image gets flipped. See here, the flower was this side, it is flipped as a mirror image. That is also direct tools, transform and flip. Here 3 true and false, and then this is practical. Now turn the page, getting unstuck. Sometimes you can find when you are doing the work in GIMP, you can find that the work is, you cannot do any changes, that is stuck the screen. Sometimes you may experience few issues while working on GIMP. For example, the software may become unresponsive at times. However, there is a solution for this problem. Let us check the problem that might occur and how they can solve. Floating selection. Floating selection is also called the floating layer. It is temporary layer, and due to the floating layer you cannot perform some action on the layer. For example, you may not be able to draw an object in the layer due to floating selection. That means that is temporary layer, but you cannot do the action. Then how to detect it? The detect problem, check layer section, and topmost layer is the floating layer. Now solution. You need to anchor the floating layer with the anchor command to an active layer to solve the floating layer issue. On the image window, click the layer menu. The layer menu appears. Click on the anchor layer. See here, that is anchor layer. You can also anchor a floating selection. Create a new layer. Click the anchor button on the layer section. Now next page, page number 35.